how to invite someone to a Telegram group on the iPhone. I'm first going to show you how to invite someone to your very own Telegram group, and then I'm also going to show you how to invite someone to a Telegram group where you're just a member of. So here's how it's done. First of all, open up Telegram. Then at the bottom, make sure that Chats is selected. Then open up your group. Next, tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on Edit and select Invite Links. And right there, you will find the invite link. Anyone on Telegram will be able to join your group by using this invite link right here. Now you have a couple of options here. If you just tap on the invite link will be copied to the clipboard. You can now send this invite link to whoever you want, for example on social media or by email or maybe on WhatsApp. Now instead of copying the invite link, you can also tap on the three dots right here. And you can then tap on Get QR Code. Like this, you can send your invite link as a QR code, which is pretty cool as well. To share it as a QR code, you would then have to tap here on the blue button, Share QR Code. And you could then, for example, immediately send it to one of your contacts right here, or you could scroll down and save the QR code as an image, for example. And then later you could send that image containing your QR code to someone, for example, by email or on social media. Now, last but not least, if you just tap the blue button right here, Share Link, you can directly share your invite link with your contacts in case you would like it to send someone that is already a contact of yours. If you don't find it in this list, you can tap on the magnifying glass here on the upper left, and you can then search for the contact right there. And this was how to invite someone to your very own Telegram group on the iPhone. Now, as mentioned before, let's also have a look at how to invite someone to a Telegram group where you're just a member of and don't have any special permissions. Let's reopen up Telegram for that purpose. Then at the bottom again, make sure that Chats is selected. Then open up the Telegram group for which you would like to share the invite link for. Then tap on the profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. And you will then find the share link right here. Now to share this link, you can either long tap on it and then select copy right here. And here as well, you can then send it to your friends by email, WhatsApp, SMS or whatever. Or you can also tap on this QR code icon right here and get the invite link as a QR code. Then to share that QR code, simply tap on Share QR Code here at the bottom. And then here simply choose with whom you would like to share this QR code. For example, you can directly send it to your WhatsApp contacts or Telegram contacts, Signal contacts, and so on and so forth. Or you could send the invite link by email, for example, or even by SMS. Here as well, if you scroll down, you can also save the QR code as an image and then later on send that image to people that you would like to invite to this very Telegram group. And that's it, guys. This is how you invite someone to a Telegram group on the iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Telegram tutorials.